Someone begins talking about their home's foundation, and you begin to think, what is my foundation made of? I know how this is. We have all been there in the middle of a conversation and realize I need to know more. Stay tuned to hear about 3 types of foundations. Hi, I'm Nolan, and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I've been working full-time at AccuLevel since 2013. Your foundation is a very important part of your home structure. After watching this video, you will know the different types of foundations and what materials they are made out of. Let's get started. Very simply put, the foundation is the components that your home sits on. These can often be different types at different depths, but most importantly, it's what holds your home up. One type of foundation is basements. Basements are very common here in the Midwest and are a lot of times used as tornado shelters or storage spaces. These are a lot deeper than your other foundation types. And so you introduce the possibility of water intrusion on the wall, but what you gain is a lot sturdier footing for your home since it's deeper into the soil and has a higher likelihood of being at load-bearing strata. Another type of foundation is crawl spaces. They are a semi-controlled space and are usually about 2 to 4 foot deep below your subfloor of your home. They are a lot of times unfinished with an exposed dirt floor and can encourage moisture, but they're less expensive to install and to have for your home. The last foundation structure is a slab. A slab is just simply a footing below grade with the slab for the inside of your home. So instead of having maybe the traditional wood subfloor, you just have a concrete floor. This is much more susceptible to settling foundations just because it's a lot shallower of a footing and a lot of times may only be 2 to 3 feet below the surface of the soil. Foundations are made of many different materials, and a lot of times it depends on the time frame your home was built to what was used to build the foundation of your home. In a lot older homes, such as 100 to 2, maybe even 300-year-old homes, you will find just limestone used as the foundation, maybe stones or brick. And then occasionally you'll have a home that's made of just simply wood, where there's plywood on the outside with wood columns in between. Today, we're using a lot more of concrete cinder block or poured concrete. The reason we're using those more today is they're a lot harder materials and a lot more structurally sound. If your home has a stone, brick, or wood foundation, you have to be a little bit more careful when making structural repairs on these types of foundations. They are a lot softer and can't withstand the movement that's usually required to lift a home back into place or to stabilize a foundation wall. However, your stone and your brick foundations, you can still treat those for water intrusion in your basement. If you have issues with your home's foundation, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, click the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch with you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about your home's foundation? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a quick second, like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.